In this tutorial, we will learn about column function. So column function is a lookup and reference function, and it helps to get the total number of columns within a range of cells. And its syntax is equal to column, and within bracket we have to put an array. So what is array? An array or reference to a range of cell for which you want to get the total number of columns. That means with the help of columns, we can get the total number of columns within a selected range. So let's understand this in details with the help of examples. So we have 4 examples. One is for basic understanding, and in example 2 we will understand column function with VLOOKUP, and in example 3 we will understand how to get the total number of cells within a range. So first let's delete this one. Okay, here let's type equal to columns, then we will put a single cell range, bracket close and enter. We got here 1 because within this range we have only one column, that is why we got value 1. And now equal to columns, now we select multiple cell range. Let's select here, bracket close, enter. Here also we got 1. Why? Because within this range you can see K1 to K9, that means we are within the single column, that is why it returns 1. But if we put multiple columns range, that is equal to columns, select in this way, you can see here column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bracket close and enter. You can get 7 columns. Now here if we want to put an array like equal to columns within curly bracket 1, 2, 3, then semicolon, then 4, 5, 6, semicolon, then 7, 8, 9, semicolon, then 10, 11, 12. Now curly bracket close, bracket close. So here this comma stands for column and this semicolon stands for rows. So here you can see in each row we have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So all 3 columns. So press enter, we got 3. Now we will understand example 2. So here you can see we have a data, that is agent name and sales for that agent in quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3. Now we have to get the value of any agent in quarter 1, 2 and 3. So here we will use VLOOKUP function. Equal to VLOOKUP, then our lookup value is this one, comma, our table array is this one, or you can select this one, comma, column index number. So our column index number is, it is for quarter number 1, so it is for 2, comma, exact match 0 or false, press enter. We got 1500. Now here log this cells. Okay, now drag this on the right side. So we are getting the same value because here the column index number is 2 and here it is also 2. You can see same. We have to change it to 3. Then here we have to change it to 4. So the column number is not dynamic. So to change this, we have to take a help of columns function. So type here equal to VLOOKUP, then our cell range is this one, press F4 to lock it, comma, table array, press F4, comma, column index number. So type here columns. Now our first, here it should be column index should be 2. So we will select 2 cells and first cell should be locked. So B18 to C18, then bracket close, comma, 0. So here we will get column index number 2, and if I drag on the right hand side, this cell will be fixed and this cell will be D18. So C to D, it will be 3. Let's see, press enter, we got 5000. So select here Bornally, so it is 50,000. Now drag this on the right hand side, you can see it's automatically done. 15,000, 18,000 and 25,000. You can see here the column index number is 3 and here column index number is 4. So in this way you can use the column function within the VLOOKUP to make the column index number dynamic. Now we will understand how to calculate the total number of cells within the range. So it is very simple. Type here equal to columns. Now select the range, bracket close, multiplied by rows, select the same range, bracket close and enter. We got 60 because here this formula returns 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and rows return 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check. It is returning 4 and it is also returning 4. So 4 into 4, 16. So in this way, you have to use this columns function in your daily life problems. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.